Welcome back to Geared Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to clear Mozilla Firefox browser cache on Windows 11 and 10. For this, first open Firefox browser on your PC. Then click on this one menu button. Click on this one menu button and select here settings option in the drop down menu. In the left sidebar, click on this one privacy and security option. On the right, scroll down and under cookies and site data section, click this one button, clear data. Here, this, both options will be checked automatically. Just clear this button. This will erase everything except login details. When prompted, click this one clear now button. It will start clearing all the cache from your Firefox browser.